Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Today I'm sharing with Shuriken aka Goton Dojo daily combo for September 24, 2024. Okay, the first one is C. Okay, this one. Not. This one. See, collab with universities. Okay, this is the first card, and then for the second card, okay, see, host a blockchain team cruise. Okay. Then for the third card, okay, let's go to code and find the card at the bottom. This one, see, conduct paid testing. Okay, this is the best three card. Okay, here we go. Then, okay, this is the three best card for Shuriken aka Botong Dojo in September 24. Okay, let's play. There we go. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe.